It's been 2 hours since we started bulk fermenting this challah dough, and you can see that it is definitely doubled. It's more than doubled. It's really nice looking. Let's go ahead and see how the window pane is looking at this point. Look at that lovely window pane. I can stretch it almost translucent. It's very nice. So I'm going to do a technique now called dough folding. And with dough folding, you take one side of the dough and you stretch it up and you fold it over. Then you take the other side of the dough, you stretch it up and fold it over. Then you take the two ends one at a time. You stretch the dough up, fold it over, stretch the dough up, fold it over. Then you take the whole mass of dough, turn it over, and flatten it out. Now folding the dough helps to align the gluten strands and strengthens the dough, and it is similar to techniques in the past where they just would punch down or push down the dough. And we flatten the dough so the temperature can even out. We're going to go ahead and bulk ferment this dough for 1 more hour, or an hour and a half. We'll see how it's looking. But doing a second bulk ferment or a second ferment helps the crumb to have a much finer grain. And in challah, you want a nice fine grain to your crumb. So we'll put this back in the proofer at 78 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll give it at least another hour. Okay, the second bulk fermentation is done. It took about an hour. And our dough is really looking fluffy and soft. So I'll take it out and we'll divide it.